Welcome to my channel. Want to access your router settings using 192.168.0.1? In this video, I'll show you how to log into your router admin panel and complete the basic router setup step by step for a secure and stable internet connection. Step 1. Connect to the router. First, connect your computer or smartphone to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Make sure the router is powered on and connected properly. Step 2. Open 192.168.0.1 in browser. Now open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari and type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Press Enter to open the router login page. Step 3. Enter router login credentials. On the login screen, enter your router username and password. The default login details are usually printed on the router label or provided by the manufacturer. Step 4. Access router settings. After logging in successfully, you'll enter the router admin dashboard where you can manage internet settings, Wi-Fi networks, connected devices, and security options. Step 5. Configure Wi-Fi name and password. Go to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section and change your network name and password. Choose a strong password to keep your network secure. Step 6. Save settings and restart router. Finally, save all changes and restart the router if required. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi credentials and test your internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your router using 192.168.0.1 and completed the basic setup. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more router setup and troubleshooting tutorials. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.